So I want us to move ahead and now be in a position to convert the meters per second to kilometers per hour and vice versa. So we look at conversion from meters per second to kilometers per hour and vice versa. The reason why we are doing this is because some questions may ask us to convert. We may be given a question and the only option is to convert maybe kilometers per hour into meters per second or vice versa. So I want us to learn some methods that we can use to convert the meters per second to kilometers per hour and vice versa. And this I'll start by giving an example for you to understand better. Then maybe I'm also going to explain another way that also you can use. So I'm going to give an example to explain this. Example, you can be told to express 18 kilometers per hour, 2 meters per second. Express 18 kilometers per hour to meters per second. Now, when we talk of 18 kilometers per hour, this simply means it is 18 kilometers divided by 1 hour. In 1 hour. So it is 18 kilometers per hour. So when we are told now to convert it into meters per second, the first thing we need to convert kilometers to meters first. Kilometers to meters. And we know very well that 1,000 meters is an equivalent of 1 kilometer. So we come and convert the 18 kilometers into meters. So we are going to have, what about the 18 kilometers? How many meters do we have? So we cross multiply this. We are going to have 1,000 meters multiplied by 18 kilometers. We divide by 1 kilometer. These kilometers will cancel, so we get 18,000 meters. So we have the 18,000 meters. Then we move ahead and convert the hours into seconds, because we want to convert kilometers per hour to meters per second. And again, we know very well that 3,600 seconds is an equivalent of 1 hour. So what about in 1 hour, therefore, we have 3,600 seconds. And therefore, when we are converting, we have, therefore, 18,000 meters, 18,000 meters, and we have in or per 18,000 meters per 3,600 seconds. And therefore, we are going to have 18,000 meters per means we are dividing by 3,600 seconds. So when you divide this 18,000 divided by 3,600, we are going to have 180 divided by 36. 180 divided by 36, we have 5. So we end up getting 5 meters per second. So we have converted the 18 kilometers per hour into meters per second. So these are the steps. You need to convert the 18 kilometers to meters. Then you convert the hour to seconds. Then I want to do another example where we are now converting the meters per second into kilometers per hour. From meters per second to kilometers per hour. Express number 2. We have 30 meters per second to kilometers per hour. The procedure is still the same, whereby we have the 30 meters per second. So therefore it means that it is 30 meters. We are dividing by 1 second. So we need to convert the meters to kilometers. Then we convert the seconds to hours. Again, we follow the same, whereby we have 1,000 meters is an equivalent of 1 kilometer. So what about the 30 meters? we cross multiply this. We are going to have 30 meters multiplied by 1 kilometer. We divide by 1,000 meters. So we are going to have, therefore, the meters will cancel, this and that will cancel. So we are going to have 3 all over 100 kilometers. Those are the kilometers that we have. Then we convert the seconds. We convert the seconds to hours. So we have 3,600 seconds being an equivalent of 1 hour. So what about 1 second will be an equivalent of how many hours? We cross multiply. We have 1 second times 1 hour all over 3,600 seconds. So we cancel the seconds. So we are going to have it as 1 over 3,600 hours. So now we want to express the kilometers, the meters per second into kilometers per hour. So we have it this way, the 3 all over 100 kilometers per 1 over 3,600 hours. So that is what we have, 3 over 100 kilometers per 1 over 3,600 hours. And as I've told you, that one per simply stands for division. So we are dividing. So we are going to have, therefore, 3 all over 100 kilometers. We are dividing by, we divide this one by 1 over 3,600 hours. So we are going to have 3 all over 100 times 3,600 all over 1, whereby we cancel this. 36 times 3 is 108 kilometers per hour. So we have expressed the 30 meters per second to kilometers per hour. One, we need to change the 30 meters into kilometers. Then we change the seconds into hours. And then we have, therefore, 3 all over 100 kilometers per 1 over 3,600 hours. So we divide 3 over 100 kilometers per division 1 over 3,600 hours, and we end up getting 108 kilometers per hour. So that's how we can convert. That's one way of converting the kilometers per hour into meters per second and vice versa.